this is Elena Marie and I am back with another video for you guys. If it's your first time here, welcome. If this is not your first time here, welcome back, and I'm glad we're able to kick it with each other once again. So as you can tell from the bare nails, this is a nails video, and you guys know lately I have been obsessed with making my own press-ons. So tomorrow I have a little Christmas event that I'll be going with my husband. And I wanted to do something different than what I already had previously, which I know was like blue and white glitter nails. So today I just wanted to do like some simple like maroon red glitter nails. I may or may not do a design. I have not decided on that just yet, but as of now, I'm definitely going to be making me some cute maroon and red nails. So if you want to see how I make my own press-on nails, stay tuned to watch the video. Okay, so now I'm going to go over the materials I'm going to be using today. Let's start off with the main thing that we need is some falsies, right? So these are some false nails that I got from Amazon. By the way, most of everything that you're going to be seeing here on this table and I will be using is from Amazon. So I will leave the link in my description box below to my storefront if you want to purchase any of these materials. So yes, I have the brand Una Gela, and this is their false nails, and I got these in ultra short. These are kind of short on me. Short when I mean it's a little bit longer than ultra short. So it's not ultra short, but it's short. My nail beds is kind of short a little bit, so I have a little bit more length. If you have longer nail beds, it's probably be an ultra short for you or might be too short. So yeah, these are the nails I'm going to be using. I love these. These are nice and sturdy. It makes it feel like I actually have some acrylic nails on my nail. So these are really great. And I think these were under $10 if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that, but I think they were. So we're going to start off with our falsies, of course. And the polish that we're going to be using today, I have 3 different reds here. I have 2 maroons. One is a lighter maroon, one is a darker maroon, and then I have glitter red. And then over here I have just some gold glitter. So I'll run through the numbers for you guys. All of these are from Beetle's holiday collections. Again, I will leave the link in the description box if you want to check out my storefront for these items. So this here is D503, and this one is like the red glitter nail polish here. And then I have this one here, which is B041, and this one is the darker maroon color. This one here is D500, and this one is the lighter maroon color. And then, of course, this one here is D501, and this one here is the gold glitter. Okay, so, of course, you need your base and your top gel. Okay, your base gel and your top coat. I have both of them, obviously. And then, of course, you're going to need something to put your nails on. And I have these cute little nail stands that I got from Amazon. Of course, these are really cute. They have so many different type of nail stands. You don't have to get these, but there's plethora of them. But again, the ones that I have, I'll leave it in my storefront for you to check out. I may or may not use this depending on if I want to do some type of design, but this here would be great for you to use for if you want to do any dotting to create or a brush or whatever not. So this is a great thing to put your polish on, so you won't have to, you know, dig into your polish all the time. You can just put like a little dot on here and you can use that instead of just going through the other way and making a mess. Well, at least to me, I make a mess. Okay, so that is all that I'm going to be using today as far as creating the nails. Oh, I do have some dotting tools here if I want to do some design. Oh, and let me show you my latest purchase that I got that I may or may not use today. Like I said, depending on what kind of design I want. I got me some nail art brushes, and this is Catel, I think. And this is the Elegant Charm. Let me show you guys what's inside here. And these here are all the nail art tools here, the brushes and everything like that. I also get another, let me get it on out. Is it gonna come out for me? Let's see. No, it's not. I'm gonna have to tear the box open to get to it. Yeah, because I got it really taped in there. And this here is just another one of these here. It's great to have more than one because, you know, it's always good to have more than one of anything. So if I do any designs, I definitely will be using these babies here. And of course, one thing that you're going to need a buffer here because you're going to buff the nails. I do the same thing I do with my nails, the same thing I do even if I had put acrylic or something on there. I don't do acrylic, obviously, because I told y'all before, acrylic really gives me a reaction on my cuticles. But I always buff my nails just so the gel can have something to stick onto. And I also use this as well, but this is mostly for my nails when it's time for me to put it on. This is the cuticle pusher and a nail cleaner here. These are tools I'm going to be using for putting on my nails on my actual fingers. And then you have your clippers. All right, I think I covered everything. Oh, as far as cleaning wise, you're going to use your cotton swab and of course your alcohol. And there you go. So let's go ahead and get into designing these nails. Of course, I keep forgetting to tell you guys, I have my UV light over here as well because I have to cure the nails, right? Alrighty, so now we can get into designing the nails. Okay, if you hear my fan in the background, do apologize. I am a little hot in here. But anyway, so the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to pick out my sizes of my nails. You always want to pick a size, well, whatever is comfort to you. I'm okay with a little bit of my side showing just to give me the right length, but it still gives me great coverage on my nails. You can actually go a little bit bigger than that and make sure it covers from one end of your nail to the other. So that's how you choose your sizes. You want to make sure it's not too snug or too big. Just as long as it gives you maximum of coverage that you can possibly get without it being too big or way too small. Okay, so now that I have my nails all size for my fingers, now I'm going to go ahead and take the shine off these nails. I'm going to go ahead and use my little buffer here to do that. This is a great way to get the shine off. You can use a regular file, but sometimes the regular file can make it very textured. But the buffer doesn't do that. So the buffer would take the shine off and still keep it smooth. So this is what I'm going to use to shine my, oh, not shine, take the shine off of my nails. Okay, so now that all the nails have been buffered and taken all the shine off of it, now I'm going to go ahead and put on the base gel. I'll put the base gel on first. Oh, before I actually do that, I'm going to wipe it down with alcohol just to get rid of any the filing debris or whatever not. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and put on that base coat, and I'm going to cure the base coat for 60 seconds. I like to do 60 seconds before I put on the coat base. Okay, so the camera abruptly stopped on me. I had to do some removing files, whatever, on my phone. But anywho, so what I did with this here, as you can see, I had I think this is what my design is going to be. Maybe. I think I might do something with these. I haven't made a decision yet. But I cure these for 260 seconds. Actually, I think I'm going to put the red shimmer on top of the maroon. Alrighty, so I have 2 coats here. Oh, let me take this down because the other one is already done. Alright, there's 2 coats on here. Of course, I told you I cured them for 260 seconds. So now I'm going to put the red over the maroon to give it that nice little shimmer I like. Okay, so that is what the nails is going to look, and I think I like them just like this. So I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 260 seconds, put the top coat on, and do the same for that one, and you guys will see the end result. Okay, so I decided to add this cute little squiggly thing on here. I just placed it on with my tweezers, and it's from my little sticker collection here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on, put a top coat on it. I want to obviously shave this down to match the nail shape, put a top coat, and that will be the end of the design, and you will see the result on my hand.